Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning Mansi. Good morning. Good morning Srinivas. Good
Good
morning
morning, good
Pavita.
morning. Yeah.
And good morning
Morning,
everyone.
sir.
Cool. Guys, where we are, what we did in the last 2 days. This is the day 3. What we did in the last 2 days. Can you please help me out? And where is the last 2 days recording? Guys, answer please. I need an answer from you. No one? You guys are typing into the chat box, okay? But guys, it's a live interactive session, so you can unmute and you can talk with me as well. Cool. Chalo, let me show you. If you will come to the website www.clouddevops.com, if you will come to the join current batch session, okay, all the details related to this course is written here, okay, plus the syllabus is also mentioned here. If you will come to the last as well, you will able to see the complete syllabus as well. Where exactly it is? Here is the syllabus. If you will click into this place, and you will able to see the complete syllabus which we are following and we are learning. If you will come little bit down, whatever we have learned in the last 2 days, it is showing here only. Okay. Whatever we have learned in the last 2 days, it is showing into this place. Day 1, we have already completed and the recording is available into the LMS system. The recording is already available on the YouTube as well. Okay. If you still has a question, where is the YouTube link? Let me give it to you. Okay. So that it will be very easy for you to check it. If you will come to our YouTube channel, okay, and here the very first is showing the Batch-35 playlist. If you will click into this playlist, day 1 and day 2 recording is available here. Is that fine? I'm giving this link. If by any reason, if you missed it to watch the day 1 or day 2 recording, here is the link. Is that fine for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Cool. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. And as per the agenda, we are into the cloud computing. Okay. Means in the yesterday's session, we have understand what exactly the cloud computing is. Okay. But we have already did the practical. Guys, how was the practical? What we did into the practical? Can you please elaborate little bit?
Sir, we have run the Windows 11 emulator
Correct. With the help of?
and Docker container.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay. And one more practical we did. What was that?
A website.
Website one, sir.
A little bit better answer. Give the little bit better answer because guys, whatever answer you are giving, you have to give the similar answer into the interviews as well. Yep. Go ahead.
We set up an instance in
Correct.
Google Cloud platform
Correct.
and hosted a website on that.
Okay. We have hosted the website on that. Cool. Chalo. Let me come directly into that place. Okay. So that we can start our day from this place. Okay. In the yesterday session, we did this practical, means we have taken any of the cloud and out of that we choose the Google Cloud and we created the virtual machine. We install the Docker. Have anyone remember what will be the commands to install Docker? Any idea? Anyone?
Sudo.
Sudo -i, with the help of
Yes,
sudo
yes,
-i, we become
yes,
the
sir.
root user. Guys, remember, whatever we are discussing, these are the technical questions. Okay. How to install Docker? This can be your Docker interview question, right? So first we have to become a root user. After that,
apt install Docker.
apt get update. We have to update the machine so that all the packages will be get update. Okay. Then
Okay.
we can run the apt install docker.io and Docker will be installed in the machine. With the help of docker-v command, what will happen? We will able to check the version of Docker. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Good. Fine. Okay. Now, after that, what we did, Docker has been installed. After that, we downloaded the website, means the developer, whatever the code has been provided to us. With the help of that code, we can able to run the nginx container. Now, the new thing came into the picture. What is the nginx container? Can anyone able to give me the answer? What is nginx?
Yes,
Web
sir.
server.
Why only 2% are giving answer? Others. Guys, others are not planning for the job. Everyone planning for the job, correct? Everyone
Yes.
planning for 20 lakh package, 30 lakh package, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Then give the answer. Okay. Then, chalo, give me the answer. What is nginx?
It is a web server.
It is a web server. What we did in the step 5, we run the web server nginx as a container with our code, whatever the code has been downloaded with our code as a volume. and it run on the port 80. Correct? We did in the last class. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And as soon as we check on the external IP, our website was up and running. Cool. Any question with this? Whatever the practical we did yesterday?
No.
Everyone, can you confirm into the chat box?
No.
Yes, we are clear.
Good. Very good. Okay. We have seen the practical in the yesterday session. Now let's break the thing. Okay. Why we are breaking that? Because in cloud computing, things are divided into two parts. Okay. Cloud computing has been divided into two parts, deployment model and service model. Even we created the private cloud in the yesterday's class. Okay. Today we will explore the service model. When in the cloud computing, service model came into the picture, means services of cloud means, let's open the AWS. Okay. Let me open the AWS console. Okay. And I'm just logging in. Now, what I would like to say, whatever the services is showing, these services are divided into the multiple categories. Which categories, sir? The categories are like some are infrastructure service, some are platform service, and some are software as a service. Means infrastructure means you can develop as per your requirement. Platform, they have developed, you can use it. Service, everything is ready, you have to directly you consume it. Guys, getting my point? Three variety of services AWS is providing or all the cloud providers are providing. Infrastructure as service means they will only provide the infrastructure, you have to build it as per your requirement. In the yesterday session, what we did, we have taken the virtual machine and then we have built as per our requirement. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? We have taken the virtual machine and then we built as per our requirement. Cool. After that, as soon as a DevOps engineer, I build the things. But for me, it was a platform. Why I'm calling for me, it's a platform because if you will see here in this example, for me, guys, as I am a DevOps engineer, I have installed the Docker and Nginx and I created a platform. Over that, I can able to install any of the website or I can run any of the website. Are you agree with my point? Because we have taken two examples in the yesterday session. Yes, no.
Yes.
We have
Yes.
taken two
Yes.
examples, means I develop the platform on that platform in the one command. See, when we run the second example, only in the one command, complete infrastructure or complete application was running. Correct? Docker was installed one time, but I can run the multiple containers inside it. So what I want to say to you, if this thing also ready means it will become a platform, means for me it become a platform. Whatever I would like to use any of the website, I can use it. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. And for you guys, it's a completely software as a service, means you are directly utilizing the service. Correct? For me as a DevOps engineer, I am telling it's a platform for me. I can develop anything on that. AWS from the Google Cloud, I just took the infrastructure virtual machine. In the virtual machine, operating system was there, so I just took the infrastructure as a service. After that, I developed, so it become a platform as a service. After that, I put the output the website also, so it becomes software as a service. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chalo, I will take it with very real time example. Okay. This is the website clouddevops.com. For you guys, it's just a directly service. Are you agree? Yes or no? You can directly come here. You can directly come here. You can directly come to the courses. You can directly purchase the course and you can utilize or use it. Are you agree, everyone?
Yes.
But for me, it's a platform. I can develop another course also here. For you, it's a software as a service. For me, it's a platform as a service because I can develop any of the thing over this website. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And where this infra is running means my servers and everything will be there, right? If I will talk about that virtual machine or servers, means infrastructure is available onto the AWS cloud. Cool. This is a simple example. Okay. Cool. Is any question with these 3 points? You are able to understand? You are able to correlate with the yesterday class?
Yes.
Everyone, not
Yes,
one or two person, everyone.
yes.
Good. Okay, cool. Let me take some more example. It will be very clear. Okay. Now, after that, I'm coming here. Yes, cloud services are divided into three categories: software service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure service means directly we can move there. Okay. Platform as a service, we can build there. Software service, directly utilize it. Okay. Some more example I would like to give. Infrastructure means unfurnished flat. It's a unfurnished flat means we have to plan as per our requirement. I install Docker, I install Nginx. It's anything I can install it. Any other software also I can install it. Correct? That will be called as an unfurnished flat. I'm just giving an example. Unfurnished, as per your requirement, you can purchase a TV. As per your requirement, you can purchase a fridge or whatever you want. You can do it as per your requirement. The real-time example or simple example is virtual machines, where you can develop anything. I install Nginx, you can install Apache, you can install Tomcat, you can install any other software as well. Google Drive is also the very similar example. Whatever you want to put, you can put it. Google Cloud is providing the infrastructure to you. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, second, platform as a service. What exactly it is? It's a semi-furnished, means something is ready-made he is giving to you. Okay, so that you can directly utilize it. Some examples like databases, whatever the databases are coming, like MySQL, RDS, or whatever the databases are there that are ready-made available, and they can directly use it. You can directly put your data and you can use it. Same example, GKE. Anyone knows about the full form of GKE?
Yeah, Google Kubernetes engine.
Correct, good. It's a Google Kubernetes engine, means Kubernetes is ready-made available for us. We can use it. Okay, cool. Same example, well, Google Docs. Google Docs is like which I'm using it right away. Okay, yes, there is a difference between Google Drive and Google Docs. Let me show you. This is Drive, drive.google.com. What will happen into the Drive? We can put anything. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Right, we can put videos, we can put images, anything we can put into the Drive. Another example, Google Docs. In the doc, only PPT, Word, Excel, or MS Office related things will work. Correct? Means MS Office is installed into the Google platform and I'm using it. So it is called as a platform as a service. Google is providing the platform to me to present or to create my PPTs. Agree? Guys, confirm me.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Third example, I'm directly coming. It's look like a PG. Okay. Means ready-made service are there. You can directly utilize it. Like Gmail. Ready-made everything is there. You directly have to use it. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And some more SQS service. Anyone heard about the name SQS? One of the AWS service.
It is a queue message service.
Correct. Give little bit one more line answer so that others will get to know.
Uh,
Assume that someone has asked the question, what is SQS? You have to impress him. How you will give the answer into the interview to impress him? Guys, if you will not able to impress, you will get not selected into the interview. Are you agree?
Simple queue service.
One second. Guys, a small one trick. Okay. On the day 3, I'm giving a one trick. Okay. What exactly it is? Someone has asked the very simple question, SQS. Let's assume you know the answer. Okay. Or how you will give the answer. First case, you know the answer and how you will give the answer. Chalo, go ahead. Guys, answer. Anyone here?
Just by elaborating few things more on that.
Oh, yeah. Think it, you are sitting into the interview and the question is, what is SQS? You have to impress to the interviewer. Assume that you know the answer.
Yeah, one of the message queue service in AWS, simple message, yeah, simple
Correct.
queue service, yeah.
If you will just give this answer, interviewer will not be happy. Right? Are you agree?
Yeah.
Right? Chalo. What answer you have to give? It's a simple queue service. This is the very first service developed by the AWS. With the help of SQS, messages or anything we can process in the form of queues or in the form of small buckets. Okay, or in the small form of packets. Right? Means let's take an example. You want to send 1,000 message. You can't send directly over the one click. It's not possible. You have to divide the messages into the small group, 100 group, and that can be achieved and that can be sent. That can be achieved with the help of managed service of AWS, that is called SQS. This answer looks good? Are yes, no,
Can you
confirm me.
please repeat?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
please
sir,
repeat
good.
once?
Yeah, I will repeat it. Okay. Now, one more important part will come here. How to impress to the interviewer. This service I used 2 years back. I don't remember the exact functionality, but I used 2 years back. Means you are indirectly passing the message to them that you have used this service, but something you forgot it. Clear? Agree?
Yes, agree.
Now, second use case. You don't know the answer. You don't know, but you have to say something. Are you agree? Yes or no? So how you will defend him? If you will say, I don't know, means directly rejection will be in your pocket. Correct?
Yeah,
Are you-
yes.
So,
Yes.
Yeah, yes, correct. Yeah.
right? So you have to defend him. You can say like that. I heard about this service. This is one of the AWS service, but I never get a chance to work into this. Simple. Okay. But this is in my queue. I would like to learn this service. If I will get an opportunity, I will definitely learn and I will able to answer this thing. Right?
Yes.
Defensive answer.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes.
Okay, guys, both trick. It's a trick. Okay, how to give the answer. If you know the answer, if you don't know answer, you have to defend him. Cool. Okay, fine. Okay, SQS is a queue service. With the help of this, bulk messages can be bulk message or bulk thing can be processed in a small packets. That can be achieved with the help of SQS. I will take the practical for this. Okay, whatever is mentioned here, SQS, GKE, VM, I will take care of this thing. Okay, clear? All good?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. So now I'm coming here. Now, this all things means we have seen it in a just simple way, but when we see in a bigger way, okay, how exactly it look like? When it's a traditional approach means networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, application, everything has to be managed by us. Means let us assume you are creating your own data center, then you have to manage all these things by ourselves. Correct? Guys,
Yeah.
I need an interactive persons here.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Good. Okay. Second part. If you will take the infrastructure from the cloud, okay, any cloud, okay, what will happen? Networking, storage, servers, virtualization, and operating system. It will be managed by the provider itself. It can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, it can be Azure. Means this all things can be managed by the provider itself. What will be our work? We have to manage this thing, whatever is in the blue. If you will take the infrastructure as a service from the cloud provider. Let's take an example, virtual machine we take in the yesterday session. So networking, we don't have to worry. Storage, we don't have to worry. We just have to say that I need this networking, I need this storage, I need this server, I need this virtual machine, I need this type of operating system. We just tell and everything was provided to us. After that, we have managed these things. Are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes, we agree.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Now another case, platform as a service where runtime. Okay, chalo. What is runtime and middleware? Can anyone be able to give the answer? In my yesterday's session, I took this. What is this?
Yeah, middleware is a Nginx. Yeah, runtime is a Docker.5. Yeah.
Okay.
The
Guys,
image.
is Srinivas giving the correct answer? Everyone with Srinivas or not?
No, sir.
No, then give me the correct answer. If it's wrong, then give me the correct answer. Guys, be fast, please. Chalo. If you don't know, no worries. Middleware can be our Docker and runtime will be our Nginx. Okay, or it can be otherwise also, but middleware can be our Docker and runtime can be our Nginx. Okay, if cloud provider itself install and give it to them, give it to us, then what will happen? He will manage that all things. We just have to come up with our application data and we can run the application. That service is known as platform as a service. Cool. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
means my developer has developed all these things. Now they are telling that you can create your own courses. That is platform for us. right? Platform for me. Cool. Now, software as a service, everything has been managed by the provider itself. You don't have to do anything. You directly have to use it. That is called software as a service. Guys, I hope very clear now, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Cool. Guys, if you know this thing, we are going to discuss everything in the upcoming sessions. Okay. If you know this thing, you will able to reach 5 to 10, 12 LPA. Okay. Maximum 15 LPA. If you know this, if you are able to develop this whole thing, 15 LPA will be in your pocket. But if you are targeting little bit more, okay, something is available for us to see 10, 15, so everyone will reach it. 20, everyone will reach it. From 20 to 30, how we will able to reach it? We have to learn something good, right? Yes or no? Are
Yes.
say everyone,
Yes,
everyone,
Yep.
Yes.
right? Because your target or my target is not you to achieve 10 lakh, 15 lakh. No, my target is you to achieve the more salary. Okay. So we have to learn little bit better thing. Have you heard about this name, serverless? No.
Yes.
Yes.
Then what is this?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this? Give me the answer. In the interview, if you will say yes, can they give the answer? Go ahead. What is serverless?
Just consumption of the services without having any physical servers or instances.
Correct. Like hotel, we don't have to worry. Okay. Let's 10 members go, 20 members go, 30 members go, 50 members can go directly and say, we need a room, we need it, we want to eat. He will serve you everything. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep.
Right? Same way. If we are taking the serverless service, we don't have to worry about resources. Yesterday, we are creating the machine, 2 GB CPU, 2 GB RAM, how much network it will come, how much storage size has to be required. You don't have to worry. Whatever is your application, go and use it directly. That is called serverless service available into the AWS. Okay. The example, anyone knows the real time name of the example, name of the service?
Lambda.
Good. AWS Lambda is the service which is serverless. We can directly utilize it. I have a practical for that and I will teach you in the practical way. Okay, cool.
But how can you differentiate between server and serverless in terms of technology?
See,
Cloud.
server, if we are defining it, I have to choose. See, let's assume this is my server. Okay, assume this is my server. Okay, in my server, I have to define CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, internet, all these things. Correct? If I will take as an infrastructure as a service, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? These all things I have to think it, how much memory will be required, memory is more, less, or whatever it is, right? If I will put the big application inside it, this machine may get crashed, correct? So
Yes.
if I have to worried about all these things, means I'm defining by own, means I'm taking only server, okay? But if I am not worried about anything that, okay, any application, any big application also will come and I can use it or I can run it, it will be completely a ad hoc, means whatever you will put it, let us assume here I'm using the GPU, 20% of GPU I'm using, 19% of my this GPU I'm using, means anything I can use it if my application is bigger. Because if you will see here, primarily at this point, who is consuming my all memory or CPU? Zoom is consuming my complete memory and CPU, correct?
Yes.
Right? Because of Zoom application I want to use, I have to use this GPUs, this two GPUs again. I'm unnecessarily paying if I'm not taking the classes or if I'm not using the Zoom, I have to unnecessarily pay for this, right? Yes or no? You're able to imagine?
Yes.
Yes, correct.
So in the another sense, let's assume I don't want to spend money or fix money. Okay. Let's assume from tomorrow I'm not taking the classes. Then what will happen? This GPUs are going waste, right? Yes or no? In the another term, I can take as a serverless category so that I'm not fixing if I'm using it, I will pay. If I will not use, I don't have to pay. In the hotel, 50 rooms are there. If you're going and taking the 5 rooms, you have to pay only for 5 rooms. If 45 rooms are empty, means you don't have to pay for that. Make sense? Agree? That is called serverless. Guys, we have to put this in our resume. If we will put this, our interview calls will be very, very more. Okay. Another thing, varieties of application. With the help of that, we have to develop a different varieties of applications. Okay. One is monolithic. Have you heard about this keyword monolithic? No one?
We had heard, yeah, but we don't know the exact.
Okay, no problem. Monolithic is a go ahead. Anyone knows the answer? Go ahead.
It's a kind of linear application.
Linear application, okay. Give the common word, okay, which interviewer will able to understand. Can we call as a three-tier application? Front end, middleware, and database are the
Yes.
monolithic application.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Cool. Yep. See, if I say the answer, you guys understood, correct? Yes or no? So answer, whatever the answer you are giving, it should be understood by the interviewer as well. Okay, cool. Microservice-based application. Oh, so yes, three-tier application we are going to develop into the project 3. So my monolithic practical, I will take as a project 3. Cool. Microservice. What do you mean by microservice? Guys, give the answer. I don't feel that no one is targeting more than 20 like in this group.
Small independent services that communicate via APIs in the microservices.
Good answer. Right? How much experience? How much you are?
I have around 4 years of experience.
Good. Okay. Any real-time example where this type of microservice-based application has to be get developed?
Mostly in the banking sector.
Not giving the sector. Technology.
No, don't have idea.
Kubernetes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Kubernetes. Okay. Microservice-based application can be developed into the Kubernetes. Okay, cool. That will be, I will cover up this microservice-based application into the project 2. Okay. If you don't know, I will show you one more time here. Okay. We have 3 projects. Okay. In this 3 projects, the third project is a 3-tier application where 40 AWS services I will use, and I will develop everything in an automated way with the help, and it will be a 3-tier application. Okay. Monolithic application. Second project, which is an e-commerce website, Java, Python, Go, .NET, different technologies I will use. I will develop or I will deploy this application into the Kubernetes environment or Kubernetes cluster that is called microservice-based application. Got it? Yes, no?
Yep.
Okay. Third is AWS Lambda, where serverless, where I will not define anything. I will put my application and it will run. Okay, that is called serverless technology. So we have to cover up all these things. Then only our, what we can say, our package or our knowledge will be get increased. Because I don't know tomorrow if you join any of the company, any variety of application can come. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So my intention is to teach you all the things. Okay. You can write one project here as a monolithic project. You can write one project as a microservice. You can write one project as a serverless. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Now, guys, after this, you will able to reach 15, 20 LPA, 25 LPA. Now, if you are targeting 30, 35 LPA, we have to be aware about this also. Chalo, give me the answer. What is CAAS? Anyone aware about it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Code as a service.
Container as a service.
Container as a service.
Container. It's a container
Container.
service. Okay. Whatever Kubernetes we will learn, that's it. That's CAAS. Okay. Got it?
No plan, Yes, sir.
Yes.
Another question is FAAS. What is FAAS? Anyone hear about this name?
Function as a service.
Function as a service.
Good. Function as a service. Give me the example for this.
Lambda, I think.
Lambda, AWS.
AWS Lambda.
Now
Azure.
the answer is little bit answers are coming. Okay. Guys, these are the little bit better technology. Okay. If this thing will come in your resume, you will get a lot of calls. Okay. And we are going to discuss this thing. We are going to discuss Kubernetes. We are going to discuss the Lambda as well. Cool.
So,
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Good. Whatever the theory we have discussed in the last half an hour, this theory is written here. What is software as a service? What delivery? What advantage? What characteristics? When to use software as a service? For platform as a service, also I'm giving theory. Okay, you have to remember that point to points are there. Just read it. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, whatever we discuss in the half an hour, same thing has been written here. Okay, cool. Now consumption of the cloud for AWS is very high. Okay, and demand of Google Cloud is very high. Okay, means AWS is a master. Most of the companies are using the AWS, but Azure and Google Cloud also coming into the picture. Azure, if you have a Windows-based application, then Azure is an option. If your analytics or Kubernetes-based application, microservice-based application, then Google is very, very mature. Okay. If you will see the consumption rates or experimental rate into the Google Cloud is high as compared to everyone. So in couple of years, there may be chances AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, all three providers will be around 30% in future. Make sense? Yes or no? So we have to be aware about all the three clouds. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Don't restrict, means on the day 3, I'm telling that don't restrict yourself in a one cloud. It will be good if you know AWS very well, very, very good. Okay. But little bit aware of the another cloud is also very, very good for you. Okay. Because I don't want anyone to get rejected with this answer that I don't know Azure, I don't know Google Cloud, and you will get rejected. No, you have to say I'm aware about it. I can compare the services, whatever the services are available into the AWS, same services are available in Azure, same services are available into the Google Cloud. I can compare and I can work it. I can take one example, Kubernetes, guys, EKS, AKS, and GKE. At the end, Kubernetes is very same in all the cloud. There is no difference at all. But everyone is selling with their name. Everyone is selling with their functionality or features. Agree? If you are purchasing the four-wheeler car, Tata is also making, Honda is also making, Maruti is also making. See, now what is the difference? Some quality and some features. That is the difference. But all are four-wheelers. Yes or no?
Yep.
Right? Virtual machine is very same into AWS, virtual machine is very same into the Azure, virtual machine is very same into the Google Cloud. Whatever the virtual machine, whatever the Linux we will learn in the next week, everything is very similar in all the cloud. So you don't have to say that I don't know. You have to remember the names. I will help you out. Okay, we will remember the names and we will say that yes, I'm aware and I'm able to compare and I can use it. Got it? Yes or no?
Yep.
Can anyone, I want to ask which brand laptop you are using? Anyone say?
Dell.
Mine will pad.
ThinkPad means Lenovo, correct? You
Yeah.
know how to use Lenovo, correct? Guys, let's assume you know how to use the Lenovo laptop, right? If tomorrow in the next company or somewhere you will get a Dell laptop, what you will say? You will not say anything, right?
Yep.
At the end,
Right.
laptop is very same, Windows is very same, correct? Only the brand got changed. Are you agree?
Yes.
Guys, yes or no?
Yes. So
Brand got changed and after that you know how to use the laptop, you will use it. That's it. Only little bit one day you will feel that my hands are not properly okay and switch buttons is little bit different, rest everything is very same. Are you agree? Yes or no? Confirm me please.
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
correct.
Cool. Okay, then you can work into the another cloud as well. That's it. Guys, explanation is okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. What I want to say that learn with Cloud DevOps up, you can work in any of the cloud. That's it. You have to compare and you have to work it. This is a bigger image, okay, where you may not able to read it in this way, okay, because I'm giving the all the information here. This will be your 3-month homework, okay. One day read one line, one day one line, okay. In the next 3 months, just compare it everything. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, you can't learn in one day, you can't remember everything in one day. Next 3 months I'm giving to you to remember this, and your all the 3 clouds will be in your pocket. Done?
Sure.
Okay.
Yes. Clear.
Cool. Guys, that's it for cloud computing. Okay. Now I would like to go into the syllabus. What we have discussed about the traditional compute, where the CPU memory things are available, storage, where the data can be stored, database, where the tables can be get created, monitoring, networking, where the network can be defined. Networking is VPC, database is RDS, storage is S3, compute is EC2. Can you repeat it? What is compute in AWS?
EC2.
EC2.
Everyone.
EC2.
Storage in AWS?
S3.
S3.
What is the database in AWS?
RDS.
RDS.
What is networking in AWS?
VPC.
VPC.
We have to learn all these things. Okay. What is the use of compute? What is the use of EC2 machine?
We have all.
It is a server.
We can create a server. Okay. Cool. What is the use of storage into the real time?
We can store
Store the data.
We can
store
store
files
the
in the
file.
form of objects.
Correct. Object storage. We can store the objects. Okay, cool. What is the use of database in the real time or in the companies or in the application?
Yeah, application data we need to store in the DB.
No, application data in form of rows and columns.
Rows and columns database, yeah.
Okay, rows and
Okay,
columns.
columns,
If you
yeah.
will install, that is called database.
Yes, yeah.
What is the use of networking? What is the use of networking? First.
Connectivity.
Connection.
Connectivity.
So defining the security levels.
The security levels, yeah.
Correct. Securities and connectivity will be
Security
defined into the networking part.
networking, yeah.
Okay. Guys, I have a separate session. Compute. We will learn here. Complete compute thing. Okay, where it is. When we will start the AWS, 10, 11, 12 is a compute day. Okay. 13 is also a compute day. After that, storage. S3. We will discuss the S3 from the day 14 and day 15. Okay. And again, I will take care of the databases. Where is databases? Yeah, databases, which is RDS. I will teach you the RDS into the day 50, 16 and 17. Okay. And then after that, networking, I'm going to teach to you in the day 17, 18, 19. Cool. Yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
yes.
just a high level overview. Now we have to start our thing. We have to start our day 3. Okay. Any question from the day 2?
So it's a multi-cloud. Are we covering all the clouds or?
Yes, all the cloud. Primarily AWS and GCP we will cover. Okay. 3, 4 services from the GCP.
Azure, we are not covering any services.
If you want, I can teach that also. One or two service. Okay.
Okay.
Means there is a day 45 where you will say to me, sir, I want to learn this thing. Okay. And if you will say that, sir, I want to learn Lambda, I want to learn serverless, I want to learn AWS, Azure, whatever it is, I can teach that also. Okay. We will decide into the class, and whatever the people, most of the people will be agree that I want to, we want to learn this, and I will teach that also. Fine.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah. So now, guys, I would like to give a small break to you just for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. And then we will start our day 3. Tell me any number between 2 to 5.
3 minutes.
The standard 3. Okay. Done. Okay. Let's come back in 3 minutes. And I would like to go into the day 3, which we have to start related to the DevOps. Cool. This is just a digestion break so that you will not mix up the things. Right? Agree?
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Okay. Go for a small break and come back, please, quickly, in the next 3 minutes.
कान दुखतात बाई सवय न एवढं घालायची घातलं की
Guys, I'm back. If anyone has any question, you can ask with me right now also.
Sir, we have to do cloud certifications also.
Not required, not mandatory. Okay, not mandatory, but it will be good if you have. It will be good. But all the interviews or offer will come based on your knowledge, not with the certificate. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And I will help you out. I will let you know which certificate you have to write it. Okay, based on your interest or based on your previous experience. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. I made the day 2 as a green because we have completed that part. Okay. Now we are coming into the day 3. Actually, let me close my unnecessary tabs. In the day 3, what exactly it is, what exactly mentioned here means we would like to understand what exactly the DevOps is. What are the top DevOps tools we have to understand in the today's class. You understood the agenda? Means now we will talk primarily for the DevOps thing. Are yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, good. And I will help you out what exactly the DevOps is, why the DevOps is required. Before DevOps, what was the problem? Why DevOps came into the picture? As a good DevOps engineer, what will be your roles and responsibility will come into the company? Okay, what exactly the problems was there and how was the solution has been developed by the DevOps? Okay, some developers problem and some DevOps solutions will be available. Some IT operation problems are there, some DevOps solutions we will discuss, and we will discuss the 6 C's of the DevOps process. If we will not able to complete this part, no need to worry. In the Monday class, Monday is a holiday, I think. Okay, we will discuss that part at the end of the session. Okay, if we will not able to complete this, I will take care some 15, 20 or half an hour of the Monday or Tuesday, and then we will start the next. Agenda is clear,
Yes, sir.
Clear.
everyone?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Cool. Let's come to the day 3. Okay. When I'm coming to the day 3, I'm talking about it's a futuristic automation of the software development. Have you understood this line? What does I want to say with this line?
Upcoming things will be automated.
Yes, whatever the things we are doing manual, it can be automated of the software delivery or software development with the help of DevOps team or with the help of DevOps tools. Okay, cool. This is the agenda for today. Okay, guys, if you don't know, we are from the community. Okay, and I would like everyone to come into our community. Okay, here is the community link. Okay, please participate. Whatever is question is coming to your mind, if you are not getting answer, technical, anything related to your company, you can ask into this group. Okay, so I'm inviting you into my Facebook community. Please everyone join it. Okay, so that at least others will do some activity or you will able to help him out, or if you will ask the question, others can help you out. Cool. I hope everyone has joined this Facebook community. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Cool. Thank you. Now let's come to the actual picture. What exactly the DevOps is? DevOps is a combination of development and operation. In some company, there may be chances more development work you may get. In some companies, there may be chances you may get more operation works. Okay. It is not fixed that you will get 50-50%. There may be chances some 70% of development may come, 30% of operation, or 70% of operation, or 90% of operation came and 10% of development work come to you. Okay. So it's not fixed, but this is the DevOps. Okay. It comes with the 2 keywords, dev and ops. Development and operation has been combined and become the DevOps. Okay, this keyword has been came like this. Okay, if you will try to learn the DevOps by own, you will see the DevOps like this, and practically it is not possible to learn everything. Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
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 Right, if I will give
Yes.
you, if I will give you 2 years or 5 years time, you will not able to learn it, right? Because there is no
Yeah.
end. There are some tools which there is no end. Like Kubernetes, there is no end. Like Terraform, there is no end. Like Docker, there is no end kind of thing. Okay. Let assume you started learning Kubernetes from today. You learn everything in the 2 years. Okay. And Kubernetes has developed a new feature. It will never get complete. Agree? Because every day they are developing something new.
Yes.
Right? Because every company is developing something new every day. Okay. So practically it's not possible to complete any tool completely. Okay. But we can understand to utilize in our company. We can add in our experience if we will learn this. And what you have to learn, you have to learn this. Okay. If you know this much, you are more than enough. Okay. You are into the top 1 or 2% of the IT. Okay. Or top 1 or 2% of the IT package also. Yes, what is the average package of IT engineers? Average package, low and high. What will be the average package?
6 LPA.
6. No, yeah, 6 is very less, yeah. No.
That's low, that one.
Average package of IT engineers.
8 to 10.
8 to
12.
10. 8 to 10. Okay. 8 to 10, 15 is the average package. Not 15 is too much. 8 to 10 is the average package. What will be the highest package? Don't go 2 crores, 3 crores, please. Okay. General or normal thing.
40.
18 to 20 LPA.
30 to 40 is the top. Okay. If you are beyond 40, 50 LPA, you are into a very good situation. Agree?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And by learning this thing, you will be into the top 1% of the IT salary. Okay. This much is more than enough. Okay. Good. Let's start the thing. DevOps is looking like this. In the DevOps, development will come, means coding will come, building will come, testing will come. This is a development part. Okay. Operation, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. This thing will come into the operation part. Means support engineers, they are doing this work. Are you agree? Yes or no? Support work, L1 people work, administration people work, will do this work. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Developers, testers, okay, will come into this category. You are coming into the development category. Wherever you are, that's good. But if you are aware about both the things, you will be a DevOps engineer. Fine. If let's assume you don't know anything, okay, you are not into the development, you are not into the operations. Operation or support work is very easy. Okay, you can very easily, you can learn it. You will be part of ops part and learn little bit of DevOps, and I will make a DevOps engineer to you. Cool.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now we are going here. What exactly the DevOps is? When developers, testers, and IT operation team work together to develop a software and keep their process of software development into sync, and all the things should work very smoothly, or all the three teams work smoothly, that is called DevOps. Okay. Why this is required? Okay. Because in the software development lifecycle, multiple phases are there. Have you heard about this software development lifecycle? There, your first day of engineering.
Yeah, water cycle model, spiral
Yes,
model.
sir.
Correct,
Mhm.
varieties of model. Okay, software development lifecycle. Very first, whenever the requirement will come, business analyst people will understand the requirement and they will decide it how to design it. Chalo, let's spend 5 minutes and let's understand this in a very, very simple way. Okay, I'm opening my pen. Okay, and in the pen, what is any application is looking? Yes, one application I'm able to see. This is clock. Guys, yes or no? This is clock. Or yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I need your help. I need your help. Okay. The client has given the requirement. You have to develop a clock. And you have to, this is a software. Okay. To complete software development life cycle, you have to run it to develop the clock. Chalo, help me out. How you will do it?
First one will check on feasibility.
Correct. BA people will come into the picture. Business analyst people or project owner PA will come. Project owners POs will come into the picture, and he will say, he will understand that it is achievable or not. They will able to develop or not. Right?
Yeah. First it should be
If
profitable, right?
it should be profitable or not, client will pay the salary or not. Okay. Chalo, this has been decided. Now they have taken the requirement that yes, we will develop the clock. Okay. Now
Next is
wait.
analyze and design.
Now analyzing and designing will come into the picture. Now you have to design it, how it will be. It should be into the black color. It will be into the white color. It will be written in which coding language. Okay. So guys, help me out. Which coding language is very, very suitable or easy for this to develop a clock?
Python.
Python. Why Python?
Java also.
Java. Why
Python
Java?
is easy to compile.
Why Python? Why Java? Give me the answer, guys.
So
Fast.
Python is
know,
easy to compile and its features are better compared to other languages.
Okay. Chalo, I'm little bit convinced, but I need a better answer.
in a Python we get ready-made libraries, so it's easier actually.
Who is this person who is giving the correct answer? Yes, ready-made code is available. Ready-made libraries is available. You know, can you guess it? How many lines will be written to develop this clock? How many lines will be required in Python language?
Around 20.
Not more than 7 lines.
Good. 5 to 7 lines or 5 to 10 lines, this application will be get developed, and I will develop in front of you in the Python class. Cool. Fine.
Yeah.
I'm choosing the Python language. My analysis has been done. Okay. And developer will write the code of 5 to 10 lines and the application will be developed. Cool. Now the implementation will come. Okay. Now the code is written. Now you have to create a build. After code is done, what will be the next step?
Testing.
Yeah, first building. Okay. Code has been written, then build it. Pack it everything into the one box, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's take an example, Java. Very common example, Java. In the Java language, what will be the execution? What we will get it at the end after building it?
Class file, binary file.
Okay, I accept.
Jar
Answer is
file?
correct. Answer is correct, but jar file. Okay, my expectation is jar file. Okay, jar or var file. Okay, we will get a jar file or var file, or at the end, for everything, we will create a exe file. Okay, if you want to run into the Windows, we will create a exe file. Correct?
Yes.
Right, cool. Now my coding or analysis is done. Now building is done. Okay, with the help of after Java or Python, whatever it is, build is done. After build, what will come? Testing will come. Correct?
Yes.
Test engineers will come into the picture. Okay, what they will do? We are coming into this place. Test engineers will come. They will do the testing. Is this working properly? Not working? If not working, they will give the information to the developers, and they will fight with each other. This is working, not working. They will fight with each other. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And testing is done. After testing is done, then what will happen? Next phase is release will come. Okay, let's deploy into the dev environment, then QA environment, then pre-environment, and then give it to the prod and client, right? Yes or no? This many different environment.
Yes.
Releases will
Yes.
happen. Which team will do? The fifth phase, the releases will
Release
happen.
team.
Okay. After that, if it's all good, if it's running, then in the production environment, it has to be maintained and it should run always up. You have to do the monitoring and all these things. Then only it will be up and running always. And your maintenance salary will be come. Agree? Support engineers will work here and their salary will come. Cool. To
Yes.
run all these things, multiple teams are there to develop this small application. Around 30 to 40 members will be there in IT, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
30 to 40 members with 5 teams or 6 teams. Okay, they will fight with each other. They are not able to achieve. They will say so many excuses. It will take 2 months, 3 months of time, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? To solve all this problem, if let assume developer and QA people fight with each other, production engineering and QA fight with each other, production engineering and developers fight with each other, then DevOps will come into the picture and solve all the problems. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
He don't have to write the code. He don't have to do the night monitoring. He don't have to do anything. He has to be a collaborative person for all the teams. One thing, he will be a person who will develop all this automation. Earlier, we decided that 6 teams and it will take 3 months of time to achieve all these things, right? Yes or no? Either it's the 5 line of code, but the process will take 3 months. Are yes or no,
Yeah.
please?
Yeah.
Right? It will take 3 months of time. With the help of DevOps, everything automated, and the intention is like you have to complete this all things within a week or within a 1 or 2 days only. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the work of DevOps. Cool. Let's read the definition. Multiple teams involved into the software development lifecycle. Major teams are development, developers, testers, and IT operations. In this team, a lot of issues happen, miscommunication happen. Who will solve? It has to be solved by the DevOps. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Now, A DevOps engineer will involve into the development, QA, deployment, IT operation, means whatever the activities are happening, there may be chances DevOps engineer get involved in any of the thing. Okay. Yes, cool. Okay. And that's why I'm telling anyone can become the DevOps engineer. If you are able to compare yourself in any of the profile or outside this profile also, you can become a DevOps engineer by learning the things. Agree?
Agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, agree.
Anyone here who is thinking or still in dilemma that you can become a cloud or DevOps engineer or not, raise your point right away.
So DevOps engineers are versatile, you would say?
Versatile, yes. In any profile he can work, correct? Got it? Cool.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Guys, anyone here who is thinking, sir, I can become a DevOps engineer or not? Speak up, please. Because from here, I don't want to take any person who will say that, sir, I am not able to become the cloud and DevOps engineer. If you are still thinking that you can't, you have to skip now only. Because from here, journey is very excited. Okay. Because after here, your package will get increased by 10-20 lakh rupees. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Chalo. If anyone has any question, dilemma, please connect with me. Okay. I will help you out. Now, development operation, developer has developed this build. He given to the operation team. Okay. Operation team has deployed into the production environment. It has been breaked. Who will resolve this? Operation
DevOps
people,
engineer.
operation people don't know this thing. Developer will say, why should I work over the weekend? So DevOps has to come into the picture and he has to handle
Automated.
this with the help of automation. Okay. That is the work of DevOps engineer. Okay. Developers who has to be involved into the building, coding, planning and testing, delivery, new feature, product oriented, innovation oriented. These are the development environment. Okay. They have their set of work. Other side, operations, where releases, deployment, operations and monitor type of things will come into the picture. They have to, whatever the application is up and running, they have to give the guarantee that application will work. They are completely service oriented and they work into the rotational seat. They are developers. These are operation people. Okay. Operation people don't want to work the development. Developer don't want to work as an operation team. Are you agree? Obviously they will not do. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes,
Because they
yes.
have the developer has their own work. Operation people has their own work. If something new or inbuilt something unrelevant things came into the picture, who will do that? DevOps engineer will do that. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Now, what exactly the DevOps is? DevOps is a solution for all the development and operation related issues. DevOps will help for the communication, collaboration, and integration. Okay. DevOps aim this infinity loop. Okay. This infinity loop should run faster and it should run in a continuous way. That is the intention of the DevOps engineer. After running this completely with the help of tools, if multiple testing will happen, multiple times things will get checked, then the quality of software will be very, very good as compared to previous. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cool. DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the IT activities. Okay. Whatever the activities are happening, okay, in the software development life cycle, DevOps has to give the streamlined solution, means one ready-made solution, which I'm going to give it to you. Okay. You have to implement the same solution into any of the phases. Cool. That is the work of DevOps. If someone will ask the question in the interview, what is DevOps? You have to give this definition and you have to explain like this. Fine. I speak for 10 minutes. You have to speak for 1 minute. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Correct, yeah.
Good. Okay. Fine. Now I'm coming into the problems. Okay. And then we will bring the solutions. Okay. Problem. Guys, let's come into the IT, exact IT, how the IT works. Okay. It's 9. Okay. In the half an hour, I will try to post as much as possible problems. I will give it to you and we will bring the solutions. Okay. I'm taking this code. Okay. This is my requirement that I have to develop a clock. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me clear up everything. I get a requirement that we have to develop a clock. Now, how it will be taken into the development environment? Okay, your business analyst or Scrum Master, okay, SCRUM, MASTR will create a 3 tickets for this. Okay, 3 Jira tickets. Why 3? Because he will divide the requirement into the small part. Okay, either it's a small thing, but it has to be divided into the multiple teams, multiple part. Okay, so what exactly the 3 requirements? One is hour module, another is minute module, and another is AMPM feature. 3 different tickets will be get created. Agree? Are yes, no?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now I need a 3-person from you guys. Please let me know your name. 3-person.
Vishwadip.
Anil. Anil, how much is your experience? You don't have experience. You are a fresher. Okay, 0 years. Okay. So let me give 6-month experience. Okay. Okay. Anil, Anil, 6-month experience. Okay. What else? Who is the next person?
Months.
Mansi. Okay, Mansi, how much is your experience?
Fresher, sir.
Arya, how come fresher? I need some 3-4 year experience person. I'm giving 3 years experience person. Okay. Chalo. Anyone else who has a high experience? Please, one more person. Because I'm creating a team. I'm not creating a team of fresher. Right? One more person, please.
Hari.
Hari, how much is your experience?
4.
4 years. Chalo, I'm giving 10 years. Okay. You are the most experienced person here. Okay. Why? Yeah. All right. These are the 3-person. Okay. In this 3-person working as a team. Okay. This 3-person get a requirement. Anil will get a requirement that you have to work into the AMPM feature. Okay. Anil will get a ticket AMPM feature. Okay. Mansi has get a requirement or ticket. She has to work on the minute feature. Hari get a requirement. He has to work into the hour module. Cool. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. What is it? AMPM 1 minute. What is it?
AMPM feature.
AM.
AM.
The time
9:03 AM. After 12, it will become PM.
Oh,
You have
okay.
to develop the code, right? Then only it will work. It's
Okay,
an
okay.
application, correct?
Okay.
Right? You have to develop this. You have to write a logic. Then only it will work. Every
Okay.
minute the things are getting changed. If it's 50, if it's reached to 59, then only 1 plus will come here. Then 9 will happen, right? 9 has to go till 24 on till 12 only. After 12, 1 should come. This all business logics has to be written into the clock, correct?
Okay.
If you will write this code in terms of Java language, can you guess it? How much lines will be required to run one clock? Any guess? Guys,
20,
Like 20 to 25.
20, 30.
nothing will happen in 20, 30, 50 lines. Nothing will happen.
At least
Huh?
100 to 125.
Around 500 lines will be required, okay, to achieve this clock in Java language. If you're not using any ready-made thing, okay, not chalo 500 is more, then at least 300 lines will be required to achieve this thing. Got my point? So these 300 lines will be written by these 3 developers. Correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Now Anil, he has a 6-month, Mansi has a 3 years, Hari has a 10-year of experience. Okay. Anil, Hari has a 10-year experience. Hari can do this work in 1 hour, 2 hours only. Correct? Because he has experience. He is a super experienced person. He will achieve his task in 2 hours. Mansi has a 3 years of experience. She need at least 2 days and she will able to do the ticket close. Anil is a fresher. Anil required at least 5 days to complete this, his requirement. Yes or no? His ticket. Agree?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
After this work completed, what they will do? They will merge their code. All 3 people will merge the code, and after that they will build it and the application will be get created. Correct? We have to
Yes.
combine
sir.
everyone's
Yes.
code. We have to
Yes,
build
sir.
it and the application will be get created. This is good scenario. Okay. Bad scenario. In this, we have to wait for after 6 days, we will get the application. Correct? Yes or no? In
Yes,
this
sir.
case, because we have to give the
Yes.
time to Anil to work completely. Okay. In this case, we are utilizing Hari. Hari has completed his work in 2 hours. And after that, from 5 days, he's just wasting time, right? And we are paying for 30 lakh package to him. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Hari,
Yes.
Hari will say, my work is done, I will enjoy my life. But this is good. As a project, it's not good. I'm a manager. I will not be happy that Hari is no, I'm not utilizing Hari where I'm paying 30 lakh LPA to him. Correct? Not a good approach. Give me the solution. Guys, you understood the problem? Hari, who completed his work in 2 hours, from the last 4 days, he's just roaming, time pass. Correct?
Yeah.
And I'm just paying 30 LPA to him. That's not good. Chalo, give me the solution. You understood the problem. Give me the solution. How to utilize Hari properly.
Maybe enter those two
Huh?
teammates. Maybe he should help up those two teammates.
Yeah, he said like my work is done. Why should I help? He has a fight with Mansi and Anil. Senior attitude. Or chalo, let assume he is sitting into the US. No contact. Agree?
We will get next model.
Yes.
Chalo. Now we understood the problem. Let me give the solution. Okay. This is the problem. And it was happening 5 years, 10 years back into the IT. Even sometime now also some companies are this problem happen. Okay. The solution is, Hari, your work is done. Push your code to the centralized location. Okay. And your ticket will be get closed and go and pick the next requirement. Fine. Agree? Hari, your work is done. You push your code to the centralized location that is called GitHub. Okay. And go and do the next work. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You don't have to
Yeah.
wait to Anil to complete it.
Yes.
Mansi, your work is done. Mansi, you have to push your code to the centralized location. Okay. And then you can go and pick the new work. As soon
Yes.
as Anil work will get complete, Anil will push the code into the centralized location. Then for a 15 minutes for a building time, they will combine, all the 3 people will combine and they will create a build. That's it. This is a good approach. How it can be achieved with the help of some centralized location that is called GitHub. Correct? Just no.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the centralized tool is coming as a GitHub, which is one of the DevOps tool coming to the picture. Okay. Now, let assume another use case I'm giving. Okay. Hari has did what we can say. Hari did his work and he's not pushed the code into the GitHub and he left for the 5 days leave. This is again one problem, right? If Hari will not push the code into the centralized location or Hari laptop got crashed by any reason, his code will be get wasted. Possible, right? Yes or no? If the code will be into the centralized location, there is no code failure chances, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
Hari went for a 5 days leave, then his code is getting wasted, right? Happens, yes or no?
Yes, it's
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The solution is, as soon as your work is done, push your code to the centralized location. In the GitHub, every code will be available. Let me show you how the GitHub look like. Okay, if you've never seen it, this is a GitHub. Okay, github.com. And we will all the code, we will maintain our all the best 35 code. Okay, will be available into this place. Where is best 35? Yeah. Okay, whatever the code I will give it to you, I will give it to this place. Okay, code management tool. Simple. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Okay, cool. Now, this is a small application. If it's a big application, every day you are creating lot of builds. Okay. Now, if you want to automate this, how we can automate? No problem. Let me come back to the PPT. Okay. First problem we discussed. Okay, managing and tracking of the code is difficult. With the help of Git and GitHub, it can be managed. Okay. Second thing, incremental builds are difficult to manage, test, and deploy. Okay. Anil has made a build, Mansi has made a build, Hari has made a build. So many builds are there. Okay. Test engineer is getting confused which build I have to use it. Agree? Yes or no? Which one is the latest? Which one is the
Yes,
old?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or let assume your manager or your lead. Okay. Your lead, LEAD lead is sitting in US. Okay. And Anil, Mansi or Hari all has to wait for this US engineer to come into the picture and then we will build it. Time wasting will happen, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How the build will run? Can anyone idea how what is the command? How the builds can be get created?
With the use of Jenkins.
With the help of
This is
Maven.
Maven.
With the help of Maven. Only the command is mvn build.
Maven package.
mvn build. This command, to run this command, we need one engineer. No, right? To create a build, we need one engineer. No. Okay. This can be done. Automated builds can be get checked or created with the help of Jenkins. When this will happen? As soon as you push the code, the build will get created automatically. As soon as you push the code, the build will get created automatically. That is called CI process. Guys, just think as a theory at this point. I will implement all this thing in front of you. You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, not one person, everyone.
Yes, understood.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone. Cool.
No, sir, as soon as I pull into the GitHub or as soon as I...
As soon as the code will get pushed into the GitHub, Jenkins will run. He will run the Maven build command and CI will be done.
Okay, so which means in the sense we have to push whenever the code is getting changed, we have to push into the GitHub.
Correct. And this developer will do that activity, right? His code is done. He will push into the GitHub.
Okay.
If the question is there, let me show you the image. Okay. How we will do the practicals. Okay. Just give me next 10 seconds. Okay. Let me show you. Where is Jenkins? It will come into the Jenkins classes. Okay. I'm just giving the high level overview to you so that you will at least aware about the tool's name by today. Okay. Yeah, whatever I'm teaching, 3 developers, these are the 3 developers, they will push the code into the centralized location. And after that, building testing will happen automatically. That is called continuous integration process. This can be achieved with the help of Jenkins. Cool?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, as
Hari,
you tell that the developer is absent for 5 days and he didn't pull.
developer
it's in-
see, let us assume developer is absent, but before going for the leave, whatever the code is ready, he has to push into the central location. Then his dependency is completely out. Right? Yes or no? We
Yeah,
have the
okay,
code.
no.
We don't need Hari, right? We need Hari code. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Okay.
We get the Hari code into the centralized location. Automatically, this thing will happen, guys. I will do all the practicals to you. Okay, in front of you. Okay, cool. Jenkins can help us in automation of the builds, or management of the builds can be achieved with the help of tool Jenkins. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, cool. So let's come to the another example. Okay. Yeah. I'm taking one more example. This is my website. Okay, www.clouddevopshub.com. Okay. Now I need some testers. How many testers are available in my group? Any testers available? No one is the tester. Chalo, I'm giving a testing work. You have to test this website. How you will test it?
Like every button is working or every application
You
is.
will go to the website. You will check this button is working or not. This button is working or
Yeah.
not. This button is working. All these things are working or not. Correct? Yes or no?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Right? And you will say that, yes, if I will click here, this is working. Okay. If I will click on this, what all things are coming, everything is working properly or not. Like that, you will do the testing. Yes or no? This is
Yes.
called beta testing. If I will tell you, you have to do this testing 5 times in a day. You will do like this. Correct?
Okay.
Yes.
If I will tell you, you have to do 100 times testings per day.
Not possible.
Not possible,
Not
man.
possible.
I'm your manager, you have to do it. That is that's why
I
you are
know.
getting the salary,
Yes.
correct? That is called manual testing work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is your work, that is your manual testing. Right? You have to do it. But let's assume you are a smart person. Okay, then you will bring some tool who will do 100 time testing. Or if I will tell you, you will do 90 times or 70 times and you will say all working. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, If I want to do this testing in an automated way, any tool is available who can do the testing for me?
Selenium,
Jira.
Sonar.
Selenium.
Selenium. Okay, Selenium, with the help of Selenium tool.
The Sonar Cube can we use?
Sonar Cube is a different. Sonar Cube is a different. Okay,
That is do the code analysis in that.
it's a code analysis tool, not testing tool.
Yes.
I'm talking about testing tool. Okay.
So can we use both in the same pipeline?
Yes, you can use it, but Sonar Cube is a different functionality, and my requirement is what we can say Selenium.
Yes, Selenium.
Okay. Yep. Now with the help of Selenium, I can do the 100-time testing in a day. That is one problem, and I have solved it with the help of Selenium tool. Okay. So now I'm taking one more requirement. Okay. You have 100 of servers. Okay. You have so many servers. You have, let's take an example. You have 2 servers. Okay. And you have to install Docker in this 2 machine. We have installed the Docker yesterday, correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we are.
How we install the Docker into one machine? Can you please help me out?
With
We
the
did-
command apt install.
We did the SSH. We run the sudo -i command.
Sudo
Right?
-i.
After that,
Ap-
apt
apt
update.
-get update.
And after that, apt install.
apt install Docker.
Install Docker.
Okay. You have installed like this in one machine, correct? If I will tell you you have 2 machines, then you will run this machine, run the command into 2 machines and it will be done. If I will tell you you have 100 machines and you have to install Docker, how you will do it? Guys, answer.
We can create a template.
Okay, this is a template code. Okay, yes. Guys, you understood the question or not? Tell me, what is the question? Repeat. Anyone repeat it?
Yeah,
If
we
you
have
want to do
to
for
run
the
a
same
Docker
for
for
100.
100 machines.
Yes, this is the way you can install in one machine, 2 machines. Now my requirement is I have 100 of machines and I want to install Docker in all the 100 machines. Yes. Tell me the solution. What is the answer?
Shell scripting.
Using tag.
If you will give this answer into the interview, straightforward rejection. Even I will reject you guys.
We can
To
use
install Ansible, we can use, no, sir. And
We
100
can use
machines.
some tool.
Yes, tool. Which tool? Which DevOps tool?
Ansible.
Sir, I don't know.
Terraform.
Guys, the correct answer is Ansible. Okay. Ansible. Ansible can do this activity for me. Got it?
With the help of Ansible playbook.
Yes, with the help of playbook. Someone has told the template. This template will be called as a playbook, and with the help of Ansible, I can install in 100 machines, 1000 machines with the help of one click. That is a DevOps tool. Yes, guys, you are able to understand that a lot of manual things are available into the market or into the IT, which can be automated with the help of tool, with the help of DevOps engineer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone,
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
everyone, guys, this will be our daily day-to-day activities will come into the picture. Okay. Cool. So what we discuss at this in the last 15-20 minutes, whatever the problems are there, whatever the solutions has been provided by the DevOps engineer, we have discussed. Okay. Guys, please be on mute. Okay. If you're not talking. Okay. Docker, I'm not taking at this point. I will take up in the next class. Okay. Cool. I will skipping all these things and I'm coming directly to the tools part. Okay. We will discuss in the next class because the important part I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming here. Now, for every software development lifecycle, 7 phases are there. These all different phases are there. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes,
For,
sir.
Yes,
for
sir.
planning, for building, for continuous integration, for deploy, for operate, for continuous feedback. There may be chances there's some setup for building that this set of tools are available who will do the building activity. For planning, this set of tools are available which can be used for this. Let's understand this thing in the next 15 minutes. Is that okay? You are ready to give your next 15 minutes to me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. In the next 15 minutes, we will discuss which tool will come into what category. Okay. Compare with your company. Okay. Because whatever I'm teaching, you have to understand your company things also and add in your resume. Cool. Now, very first category is coming as a planning. In this planning category, some tools are available. Means, okay, let me come here in this image. In this image, we were doing this planning. 3 tickets are there. Which ticket will assign to warm? how much Mansi is working, how much Anil is working, how much Hari is working, right? Yes or no? This is just a planning, right? I have taken the requirement, I have divided the requirement into three tickets, 3 Jira tickets, correct? This is my planning. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Where all this planning has to be maintained in your company? Tell me.
Zira.
Others, everyone.
Asana.
Which one?
Asana.
Asana. Okay, okay, I agree. Jira, Asana, tool, I got it. One more. ServiceNow. Guys, yes or no? These are the major 3
Yes,
tools
sir.
available into the market for planning phase. Okay. If any of the planning will happen, Asana, Basecamp, Jira, Telero, Wiki, okay, and ServiceNow. These are the tools available into the market. Out of that, Jira is very common. Around 60%, 70% companies are using Jira. Even I'm also using Jira. And some phases or some part is going to the ServiceNow. Some part is going to the Azure DevOps also. Means Azure DevOps, there is a Azure board is there, which we can use it as a planning part. Guys, getting my point? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Where the planning can be happen? What is the most popular tool which we have to learn?
Jira.
Yes, sir. Jira's.
Service.
Jira or ServiceNow. Okay. If we know this thing, we are able to done the planning part. Okay. As a DevOps engineer. Okay. Cool. Now second is coding. Where the developers write the code. Python code, Java code, .NET code. So many varieties of codes are possible. Correct? Languages are available. Yes or no? For every language, there is a different IDE is available. What is IDE?
Integrated development
Implement-
environment.
Integrated development environment.
Correct. Different IDEs are available. For Java, Eclipse is the best, most popular. Okay. For Python, for IntelliJ, for the JavaScript. Okay. Or something for different application, different IDEs are available. But we are a DevOps engineer. We don't know any coding and we have to open any of the code. Which tool we have to use it?
VS Code.
Visual Studio.
Code, Visual Studio Code.
Yes, guys, this is the solution. Visual Studio Code. Any of the code is there, we will open into the Visual Studio Code. It has a compatibility. Any of the code can be opened into the Visual Studio Code. As a DevOps engineer, I will help you out. I will install Visual Studio Code in your machine. You don't have to write the code. You just have to open the code. Cool?
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes.
Now the third phase, building. Now I need an answer from you. Let us assume Java code is there. How the Java build will be get created? With the help of which tool?
Maven tool.
Maven.
Apache Maven.
Apache Maven. Cool. Okay. Same way, Maven, Sonar, JUnit, Web Unit. These are the different varieties of tools are available into the market. Out of this tool, Maven is 99.9%, 99% companies are using the Maven if it's a Java-based project. So I'm going to teach you the Maven also because one of the project we have, which is a Java-based project, with the help of Maven, we will build it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Now the testing phase will come into the picture. In the testing phase, some tools are available like JMeter, Selenium, JUnit, Aptum, QUnit. Out of that, Selenium is the most popular tool for the automation testing. Clear? In our code, we will integrate, we will take the automation engineer code, we will implement in our Jenkins and it will work for us. Means 100 times in a day it has to run. We will write 100 times in the Jenkins and this Selenium will run 100 times and he will do the testing for us. Got it?
Yes.
Anyone here who knows what is JMeter? Guys, answer.
No, sir.
Very bad. No one knows JMeter.
Not sure, sir. Also as testing tool, that's what you know.
Performance testing tool.
Performance
Okay?
testing tool. Yes.
It's a performance testing tool. See, the performance. Let us assume this is my website. This is loading properly or not. This is how this pages are coming properly or not. How many, if thousands of users will come into this website, it will survive or not. 10,000 users will come into this website will survive or not. How to do this type of testing? That can be achieved with the help of JMeter tool. Okay, guys, clear? You are getting idea about all the tools?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Okay, now after that, releasing with the help of Jenkins, With the help of Tarvis CI, CodeShip, GitLab, Bamboo, these are the multiple tools available for the releasing purpose. But 80% or 85% companies are using the tool Jenkins. Very, very popular. So we have to learn the Jenkins. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Out of that, deploy. If you want to deploy the application, there are so many different varieties of applications are available with the very common. I am giving the example very common, okay, or very futuristic thing. With the help of Jenkins, create an environment on the AWS cloud or Google cloud, okay, with the help of Docker, deploy into the Kubernetes environment. This is a deployment, means Jenkins will do the automation on the AWS or Google cloud, any of the cloud. With the help of Docker, all the containers will be get created, all the containers will be get deployed into the Kubernetes environment. I am going to teach you all these things in our classes. Clear? If you are, if you
Yes,
have
sir.
typed, if you have any doubt, you can say that deployment will happen with the help of Jenkins at this point. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm coming to the operate category, some automation kind of thing. Terraform and Ansible are the most common, most popular operation tools or automation tools, where Terraform will create the infrastructure. Automation on the infrastructure will be created by the Ansible. Okay, I took this example, right? 100 times Docker need to be get installed. Ansible can do this part. Okay, now if I have a requirement, I'm getting one more requirement. One machine, one VM we have created yesterday. How we created the one VM?
GCP.
In the GCP cloud manually, right?
Manually only.
Right. MANUL we created manually. Now I have a requirement 100 VMs I have to create in the same GCP. How you will create it?
With the help of Terraform code, we can create
Terraform.
resources.
Yes. With the help of Terraform, we can able to create it. Okay. And I'm going to do all these practicals in front of you. Okay. So Terraform and Ansible are the tool which will work into the infrastructure side. Cool. One more tool is available, or one more category is available, that is monitor. Means if you develop this many things, is these things are working or not? Very important question, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, you develop everything. Okay, you develop the complete website, but this website itself is not working. Someone has to be sit and maintain this website, right? Yes or no? Any of the website, just an example, this website, right? So who will do that part? L1 and L2 team will come into the picture. They will do the monitoring. How they will do the monitoring? They will do the monitoring with the help of some tool like Nagios, Grafana, Prometheus, Splunk, CloudWatch. These are the market. These are the tools available into the market. I'm going to teach you the Prometheus, Grafana, CloudWatch, and Splunk into this category. And most popular tools are Splunk, Grafana, and CloudWatch are the most popular tools. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let's
Yes,
make the
sir.
quick,
Yes,
let's
sir.
make the quick revision. Okay, you have to give me the answers. For planning, which is the most popular tool available into the market, and which one we have to learn?
Jira.
Jira,
and
sir.
Jira
ServiceNow.
service now.
Jira or ServiceNow. Guys, got the answer? If from today onwards, if you will hear the Jira in your company, go and explore that. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from today onwards. Cool. Second, if any of the code is there, if we as a DevOps engineer I have to open it, which tool I will use?
Visual
VS Code.
Visual
Visual
Studio
Studio
Code.
I will use the Visual Studio Code and I will open the tool. Good. Okay. Third category, if any of the Java code is there, if I have to build it, how we can build it?
Man.
Man.
We use
Apache Maven.
With the help of Apache Maven. Guys, everyone clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Next category, testing. If we have to do the testing, which tools are available into the market?
Selenium.
Selenium.
Okay. Testers will do all this create the script and all these things, automation testers, and they will give it to us. We will integrate in our Jenkins so that it will run 100 times, 1000 times in a day, whatever is required, it will perform the activity. Okay. But testing tools are Selenium and JMeter, which are very common, used in every company. Cool. This is pure testing work, not our work, pure testing work. Cool. Next category, release. How we can release it, which is the
Jenkins.
most popular tool
Jenkins.
available?
Jenkins.
Jenkins. Good. Okay. For deploy, how we can deploy it? If any one person will able to give the full flow answer, I will be very happy. At least.
We'll upload the Dockers to Jenkins.
Hmm.
Then
With the help of Jenkins
With the help
using
of Jenkins to
Amazon.
create automation,
And
then
with
with
Docker and
Docker we create
Kubernetes.
containers, and those containers will be managed and deployed into the Kubernetes.
Good. With the help of Jenkins on the AWS or Google Cloud, with the help of Docker, containers will be get created and it will be maintained or run into the Kubernetes environment. That's it. Okay. We will do all these things. Operate. If I want to create 100 virtual machines, then which tool?
Terraform.
Terraform.
Terraform we can use to
Yes,
create.
100 virtual machine means infrastructure creation is Terraform. I want to install Docker in all these 100 machines, then
Ansible.
Ansible.
Ansible. Okay, so guys, if this type of question can be asked, at least you from today as a D3, you have to be aware that these all tools I am going to use it. Cool. And for monitoring, which all tools we are going to learn?
Splunk.
Prometheus, Grafana.
Grafana, Prometheus.
Correct. I'm going to teach you these two tools. Okay. Cool.
So,
One
general
quick
code,
question, sir.
Wait.
when
All
will
these
this-
tools are open source tools?
Yes, that's why we are DevOps engineers. All tools are
Okay.
open source. Okay.
Okay.
Jira is not 100% open source tool. Okay, but some free category is there. Okay. Coding, Visual Studio Code is 100% open source, free. Build, Maven is 100% free open source tool. Selenium, JMeter is completely free of cost. Okay. Jenkins 100% free of cost. Ansible, Docker, Jenkins are the free open source tool. These are the cloud platform, so you have to pay the rent. Okay. Ansible and Terraform 100% open source freely available tool. Okay. Prometheus Grafana is 100% freely available into the market. Cool. That's why we will become a DevOps engineer after learning this all things.
Sir,
Yes.
when will SonarQube comes into picture in a pipeline?
SonarQube will come into the picture if you written the code. Okay, the code quality is good or not. How many repeated code are there? Right? In the code, password is there or not? That type of thing has to be get tested. Code analysis can be done with the help of SonarQube.
It will be integrated after the Selenium testings. Right?
No. So testing is very late. Okay. As soon as the code will be pushed into the GitHub, first SonarQube will run and he will check it. What developer has pushed the code.
So that is a part of DevOps engineer.
That is a part of DevOps engineer. Yes.
After that only, right, sir, testings will be done through the Selenium.
It depends. It depends. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, see, this is a code, right? Let's take an example. I'm going to previous batch code, any code. Okay. Batch 34, 34. Chalo, let's go to 33 code. Okay. In this code, if you will see here, I will open any of the file, this file. Okay. In this file, what is 0? This is wrong, right?
Yeah.
Right. And if any of the mistakes will be there, why the done is repeated, right? Done is repeated. He will read the code and he will say that done keyword is written in 10 times.
Yes.
Like that, he will read the code, he will understand the code, and he will say that why this line, right? Whatever the extra things or whatever he will not able to understand, or he will understand that this is something extra unusable thing, he will point out that you want to keep it or you want to get it removed.
So we have to have the knowledge of Java or something, the language, yeah.
It depends. Yeah, obviously Java. If you are going into that side, then coding side will come into the picture, but you don't have to go. Okay. You don't have to go. You are a DevOps engineer, not a developer. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. What else? Guys, have you understood all these tools? One line at least.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This will be our
For the fourth one,
fourth one means this one.
yeah, testing tools.
Testing is done by the test engineers, and testing automation can be done with the help of Selenium and JMeter. We don't have to do anything. Whatever the test engineers are doing it, we will automate their testing.
Okay.
Okay. Same example again. Okay. Let's assume 100 times they have to do the testing of this website. They will not do. In the reality, they will not do, but they will say that they have done. Correct? Yes or no? We
Yes.
can automate
Yes,
that
sir.
part. We can automate that part with the help of our Jenkins and Selenium, and his tool will do the auto testing multiple times. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. How was the today's class, guys? Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
everyone,
Yes, sir.
you understood what we have to learn?
Yes.
Everyone.
Sir.
Yep.
Okay. I skip a lot of things. Okay. What DevOps engineer intended to do. Okay. We will discuss in the next class. Okay. Some challenges, operation challenge, DevOps solution. Okay. What is the benefit of DevOps? Okay. Agile process, waterfall model, DevOps model, traditional way, agile model, DevOps approach. Okay. DevOps roles and responsibility. What all programming will come, what all management will come, what all things will come into the DevOps. Okay. What all DevOps engineer tasks will come to you. Okay. How the flow will work, how we have to develop this thing like this, how this will be developed like this, how the architecture will look like this. I would like to explain you in the next class. It will be a 30-minute task. Okay. I will complete this in the next 30 minutes, and then we will start our
Linux.
line. Okay. Means you can say that we are running 30 minutes late. Is that okay? Fine.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
How's the class, guys? Any question from the today's session? Please let me know. Everyone very clear, crystal clear.
Sir.
Yes.
Clear.
I was not very fast, I was not very slow, right? Because it's a theory part. Okay. In the practical, if you want me to be little bit slow, you can let me know. I will be little bit slow in the practical. Okay. Or if you will tell that because you can go little bit faster in the practical, I can go that. I will always listen you. Fine.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. I'm stopping the recording.